Hi guys, and this is how you fold a origami box. First, you want to crease both diagonals, so fold the bottom up to the top, crease, unfold, fold the bottom up to the top. So once you unfold that, and fold it to the other side, and crease. Now, what you want to do is fold all the corners to the center. And this is called a blit space. B-L-I-T-S. Blit space. So this is your base. You always have to have this really good and precise. And you flip it over and crease the diagonals. So you flip it over and fold the bottom of this up to the top. Crease it really good. Crease, unfold, now flip it over, and like I said in my fish video a long time ago, fold these outside edges to the center, and there should be a line right here, so you can feel it with your finger, and then you want to fold it up to that line, so it will be even. Flip it over, and do the same thing. Now turn it vertical and fold them up to that line again, so it will look like a square. Crease it really hard, and now you want to unfold, and it should look like squares. Now you want to pick your two best that are really connected and keep them, and unfold the other, so it should look like this. Now fold them up to the center line, so it should look like this. Now unfold it so they look like walls. Now there should be creases right about here that you can collapse in like this. Bring up with these two fingers, so it should look like this. Let me show that again in slow-mo. So you collapse these, so once these walls, you collapse these with your fingers, and with your two other fingers, bring it up and fold it over. There should be a line right here. That's when you're going to stop. Ow. It's fine if this isn't your best one. So it should look like this. Now do it on the other side. So collapse. I'm going to zoom in so you really get the understanding. Collapse. And this might be a little hard with your other ones. And don't worry. Unzoom. Collapse and fold over. You might need to fold really hard on these creases because sometimes they come, oh, that's bad. So sometimes you gotta make sure the creases meet for it to be really good. And then fold it over. Okay. And it should probably look like this. You can make a top, and you can make a top if you want, but I didn't. The inside should look like this. And you can fill this with mini creations. Like in another video, I'll teach you how to fold hats, cranes, lots of other cool stuff. But you can put them in here. This is totally recyclable, and you can store your stuff in here. I would recommend gluing these, but if you really want to do that magic touch, then don't glue them. I think that's a wrap. Bye for now. The origami box.